Good day everyone, I am teacher Jhas and I will be your teacher for today. Our lesson for today is all about... Okay class, our topic for today is all about the scientific method. Do you have any idea about scientific method? No? Okay. Okay, before we proceed the 5 steps of scientific method, let's study about what is science. Anyone? No? Okay. Science is related to our everyday lives. To study science and find out answer, we can follow the scientific method. Science is the study of the world around us. We use a step-by-step process to find answer to our questions. Okay, we use a step-by-step. You can use this for find the questions. Okay. Let's go to the 5 steps of scientific method. What is it? Number 1, ask a question. Again, what is number 1? Okay, ask a question. Number 2, make a hypothesis. Number 3, test the hypothesis. Number 4, study what we have found. And the last one, draw a conclusion. Again, I will repeat 5 steps of scientific method. The first, ask a question. Second, make a hypothesis. 3, test the hypothesis. 4, study what we have found. 5, draw a conclusion. Now, let's go. Steps. What is the steps? The first is asking a question. This is the step of asking about things we want to know. The question should come from careful observation by using all the senses of the body. Observations of natural events usually raise a question. Why did the water raise when the candle went out? Research is usually done to help find out more about the questions raised. Okay. Making a hypothesis. This is the step by guessing the answer to what we asked earlier. This answer comes from the knowledge or information. Knowledge or what? It is information. We already know. Based on your observation, a hypothesis is formed that tries to explain your observation or answer your question. A hypothesis tries to predict or determine the outcome of your experiment even before the experiment is done. Predictions usually state in an of, then statement. Okay, example is, if I drop a rock, then it will fall down toward the ground. Number 3, test the hypothesis. This is the step of proving the answer or hypothesis through different methods: observing, exploring, experimenting, or creating a model. Then we recover what we have found. That is the test the hypothesis. 4. Okay, what is the step 4? Study what we have found. Okay, now, this is the step of inferring or finding a scientific explanation to what we have found. This step then leads to the step of drawing a conclusion. Okay, study. You can study what we have found. And the last, draw a conclusion. This is the step of summary up the result if it is the same as the hypothesis or what we have guessed earlier. We can apply the knowledge to a real-life situation. In this step, we make a summary of our results. We check if they match our hypothesis. This knowledge is used in our everyday life and for future studies. Okay, that is the 5 steps of scientific method. Okay, class. Now, let's go for your activity. A student was doing an experiment. Now, look at the picture. Experiment using the scientific method. A picture of the student's project is shown below. Do you understand, everyone? Okay, very good. There you have it. I will discuss all the written answer once everything went back to normal.
I hope you learned a lot today. Once again, I am Teacher Jhas. See you soon and bye!